Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into some exciting small manufacturing business ideas that leverage the power of plastic and electrical products. These ideas are perfect for entrepreneurs looking to start a business with a relatively low initial investment and a high potential for profit. First up, let's explore the world of 3D printing. With the increasing affordability of 3D printers and the versatility of plastic filaments, the possibilities are endless. You could manufacture custom phone cases, toys, or even replacement parts for various appliances. The demand for personalized and unique products is constantly growing, making this a lucrative venture. Next, consider manufacturing electrical components. This includes items like custom wiring harnesses, small electronic enclosures, or even LED lighting solutions. The electrical industry is always in need of specialized components, and with a keen eye for detail and quality control, you can carve a niche for yourself. Remember to adhere to all safety regulations and certifications when dealing with electrical products. Another option is the production of plastic containers and packaging. Think about food storage containers, cosmetic containers, or even custom packaging for other businesses. The demand for packaging is consistently high, and by focusing on eco-friendly or innovative designs, you can gain a competitive edge. Let's not forget about the manufacturing of plastic accessories and gadgets. This could include items like phone stands, cable organizers, or even custom keychains. These small, everyday items are in constant demand, and the low material costs can lead to high profit margins. Moving on, we have the option of producing electrical extension cords and power strips. This is a practical business idea, as these items are always needed in homes and offices. Ensure your products meet safety standards, and consider adding features like surge protection to increase their value. Another interesting idea is the manufacturing of custom plastic molds. These molds can be used for a variety of purposes, such as casting concrete, creating soap, or even producing chocolate. This is a great option if you have a knack for design and engineering. Consider manufacturing plastic furniture or home decor items. This could include items like plant pots, decorative wall panels, or even small furniture pieces. By focusing on unique designs and durable materials, you can create a successful business. Finally, let's discuss the manufacturing of electronic kits and DIY projects. This could involve creating kits for Arduino projects, robotics, or even simple electronics experiments. This appeals to hobbyists and educators, and it's a great way to tap into the growing maker movement. Remember, starting any manufacturing business requires careful planning, market research, and a strong understanding of your target audience. Always prioritize quality, safety, and customer satisfaction. With dedication and hard work, these small manufacturing business ideas using plastic and electrical products can lead to a successful and profitable venture. Thanks for watching.